Hello everyone, quick video I want to do on a how-to glove box on a second Gen F body. The release deal that goes here. Wasn't sure how to do it before, so now I know, and I'm going to share it with you. And mine, I initially pried on this, and this looks like I didn't break it. It looks like it just snapped out. So, but I'm going to show you. Usually this, you don't take this off. You'll leave that on there. Let me show you how to do it. So what you want to do, some just needle nose pliers. Grab this in here like that. And if you plan on reusing this, which I'm not on mine, where I am, but I'm going to paint it. So you want to be careful with this. If you don't want to pop that out, be careful with that. For me, I put it in those two holes in here while I push this out, and then you have like a pick like that, just a simple pick, and you want to put this, insert it right in here in that hole, and there's going to be 5 keyways. Let me show you. I'm gonna put this phone on the mount and get straight to it, quick and short. So alright, good. Needle nose here, and you'll see the pin there as I pushed it in. And there's 5 of them. Oh, actually no, I'm doing it. Scratch that step. First, what you want to do is make sure your latch is locked up into the closed position. That's what you want to do first. Now we can go ahead and pull this out. There's 5. You can see how that's moving, and that's it. So what you're doing is these keyways right here. Darn, phone, don't focus. Come on, phone. There's these keyways right here. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 5 of them. You just, as you're pulling it, you're pushing those in. And now, once you get that out, you have a hexed Allen head right there. So I have my Allen heads somewhere and I couldn't find them, so I resorted to just the shop, scrummaging around, just tools. This fitted in here, and then you just twist it to the left counterclockwise, or if it's a little tighter for you DIY guys, you can maybe get like a hex bolt where grind down the head, put it in there, and then double nut it, and then you can get it off that way rather than ordering a special tool if you don't have it, any of that. So you'll just twist that off. Let me get it off now so you can see. Twist it off. And I already broke mine loose initially, so if you haven't ever messed with it over the years, it may be a little tighter, but it wasn't that tight, honestly. So, and that's it. Just pop it out. You're good to go. That's the way the setup looks, and it's just twisted on there. And then we'll put our cap back on that I initially popped out, like that. So I'm gonna get all this stuff painted up and swapped over to the new cover on the glove box, and that's it. Okay, so done, put it together. Did a spray painting on it because the finish was a little different black, and anyways I sprayed my whole dash anyways. That used to be brown, and refinished it and resprayed it. Looks great now. So that's how it is. Hopefully this helps you, if anyone needing to know how to do it like I did. So that's it. Thanks for watching. See you guys. God bless y'all. Laters.